Let's talk about the moon Triton and its kind of weird orbit. Triton is the largest moon of Neptune, the eighth and final, if we're not counting Pluto, planet in our solar system. Now, Triton is another one of the moons within our solar system that there is a far-out possibility that there could be life in the liquid water well below the surface. And it also has a weird amount of volcanic activity on the surface. Now, the volcanic activity plumes may be driven by the sun's energy because of the fact that Triton has such a weird orbit. Triton has what is called a retrograde orbit around Neptune. Now, pretty much everything that orbits a planet has a regular orbit, not a retrograde one. Now, for most things, the planet will be spinning in one way, and everything orbiting it, be that a moon or an asteroid or whatever, will be orbiting it in the same direction that the planet spins. However, with Triton and Neptune, Neptune is spinning one way, but Triton is orbiting it in the opposite direction. One of the hypotheses as to why Triton likely has the retrograde orbit instead of a regular orbit is that it did not form within Neptune's gravitational pull. Likely, Triton formed way out in the Kuiper belt and gradually migrated into Neptune's gravitational field and then started orbiting it, but not in the regular pattern. It was going retrograde or opposite to Neptune's spin. Triton also has a very heavily inclined orbit, making it so that for half of the Neptune year, which is like well over 150 Earth years, oh my goodness, that one hemisphere of the planet is always exposed to sun, and the other half is always in the dark. This causes the light half of the moon to be constantly cooked by the sun's rays, which helps drive the volcanic activity on the surface. The surface of Triton is also relatively young comparatively to all of the other planets and moons in the solar system, and doesn't have a lot of impact craters from asteroids and all of that. And while it's not 100% confirmed yet whether there are oceans beneath the surface or not, it is a distinct possibility, and so provides another potential candidate for life in our solar system.